How many times has this happened to you? You go to take out the laundry and you drop it and it falls into a black hole. How many times has this happened to you? You're straining your pasta and your eyeballs fall out into it. How many times has this happened to you? There's a cat and it won't tell you its name. You don't recognize the cat. It's not your cat. You don't have a cat. But it's here, and it won't tell you what you need to know in order to properly assess the situation. Because the cat is much larger than any cat you've seen before. It's a bear. How many times has this happened to you? You die, and then are reborn again into the mind of a grasshopper, wherein you die once more, and then are reborn again into the mind of your mom. How many times has this happened to you? You give up.